Ooh. Hey everyone, how are you? Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. I have 3 of my best buddies. There's 2 of them, and then there's the other one. And I want to play sound samples for all of you guys. So here we go. So this is the didge that I poured epoxy through in the last video, and I think it sounds a little bit clearer. This is also the didge that tried to fall apart on me. Mostly it was because of the cracks that formed while I was hollowing it out and because of these openings. So I got the idea of filling them with epoxy, and it turned out pretty cool. Right now it looks like frosted glass, but when I'm done, it'll probably look like ice. Let me show you the other 2 didges. So this is the other didge. This is the 7-foot tall yucca. Let me show you what this one sounds like. Not too bad. I really love the way this sounds. Let me get didge number 3. Chocolate rating, extra dark, 91%. Yeah. Anyway, those are the 3 didgeridoos that I've been working on. Definitely have my work cut out for me. I hope you enjoyed these sound samples, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It'll help the channel out a little bit. Thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. God, how can I do this?